So time remapping is a little bit tricky, so I thought I might want to set up for you 2 times longer lower thirds so you don't waste your time and your strength to do this. But still I want to show you, so if you need to create some longer or shorter versions, so you might want to check it out. So if you go to the lower thirds, I will show you the structure inside it. I created the start with the dark green layers and end with the pink layers. So you can see the color code you need to adjust in later on. And I will show you difference. We go to lower thirds X time. You see straight away. I cut down the custom logo loop. So if you want to change the logo, no, we better go to icon, because logo we won't change. If you want to change the icon, you need to choose all the layers and use the Alt switch trick with all the layers in one time. So it will fix in all timeline. And this is the animation in, this is the animation out, and this is the idle state of the icon. And if we go deeper, you see it's just adjusted dark layers to make it longer and pink layers moved in the end of it. So if you want create a little bit longer version, for example, you want to delete this part, what you will do, you just shift these layers to stick with this one, then you choose all the pink layers and apply it with the end of the animation out. The same comes with this part. Here we stick it, and then you adjust the dark green layers to stick it. I will zoom in a little bit to stick it and fit nicely in the dark pink folder. So I'm talking about it more for the beginners, so I think the more advanced users will understand it straight away. And there is the some blink layers that you can shift, move around, and then you can move it as you need in the timeline section and the position section. Then you just hide the folders and you see this has a new length straight away. And it has setups as that you have still all the controls, so you can easily duplicate the same part as usual and have the new timelined lower third. And if you want to, for example, make it a little bit shorter, not the shorter for the all the section, you just duplicate the middle idle part, cut down this part, then fit it nicely, and then make all the work as you make it earlier. Shift around pink layers to fit to the end of this layer. Shift dark green layers. And one thing, if you make it longer, we will look in the basic lower third. This is the basic lower third. You see the markers of the end of in animation, start of the out animation. So if we make it longer, for example 600 frames, then we need to duplicate this layer, cut it down, or push the Control Shift D button so it will cut down straight away. Then we shift it around, and then you have two text layers that are shorter than this part. So this is one step more of the work. You need to choose these layers and adjust the length of it as well. And all the work is the same. Pink layers to the end, dark green layers to the pink, and you have a new length of all over source. So I thought that will be a nice trick and nice customizable option for you, so you can use it and still you can duplicate blink layers, make a lot of them, move it in the position of the composition. So yeah, I hope you will find this project very useful and it will help create your own awesome videos. See you guys, thank you again for purchasing this project.